Hi, so we're back again, and this time we're just going to look at how the right-hand panels are populated. Um, a useful section for you is the appearance section. There's a couple of things in here that will be of use to you. You don't need to worry about themes, but the widgets section is what's used to determine what goes in those boxes. So you can edit that content directly. So on the home page we've got these two boxes at the top, and then we've got a feed that shows news items. So it just shows the title and the excerpt of the news item. Show you what an excerpt is. If you go to a post, we edit a post, the GIN conference, and if we click screen options at the top and click excerpt, it will show us an excerpt. Now, there's nothing in there, which tells me that what's happening is that it's automatically taking the first few bits of text from the first few words as an excerpt. But you do have the option when you're editing a page. You can use these screen options to view the excerpt field. You can actually specify what goes in there. So if you want it to be something special, you can. Where's it gone? It's disappeared. That's not helpful. Let's come on, reappear. Close the screen options, and then the excerpt is at the bottom. So you can type something in here, and that will appear in that little box on the home page. However, I'm not going to update that, so we'll leave that page. So going back to the widgets, that's how the posts, sorry, the news widget on the home page is populated. These quick links are populated using these boxes. Now you need to know a little bit about HTML to edit these. You need to put a link target in there, and you can edit the text in here. So probably the best bet, if you're not comfortable using HTML, if you want to make changes to these, is to get in touch with us, and we will just do it. It won't take us long. The other pages on the site all use these three same widgets, so they're the same for every page on the site. You can change the order though, and if you wanted, you can drag other widgets. So you could create an RSS feed from another website and put that in. You could, if you wanted to put a search box in there, you could put a search box. So you've got a bit of flexibility there if you wanted to change what appears in those boxes. Okay, moving on. The menus section might be useful to you. There's two main menus. We've got the footer menu, which shows here, and you can change what goes on that. That help links to a specific help page. That's the label. If you edit this, that text will change what appears in the footer menu. And if you wanted to add an item to that menu, you could search for a page, tick the box and add it to the menu, and it will appear on that menu. You can drag things to move them around the menu, and then save it once you are happy. If you wanted to put a link to another, like the GIN conference, to make it only you could type the URL in there and then add it to the menu. We made some changes. We're going to leave that page and not save them. And the primary navigation menu, that's the top menu on the website. So again, it's the same idea. You can put pages from the website onto the menu. You can just put a link to anywhere you like on that menu. So you've got a little bit of flexibility as to how that works. Finally, I'm just going to show you the users section, because that's something that you will use. You've got 5,000 subscribers, so that's gone up since I think it was about 4,500, so you picked up a few hundred more since we launched the website, which is great. You can search for individual users, so let's see if we can filter. Oh no, it's searching for the username. So if we let's type our common name in. and see how many Davids we've got. So that's how you search for specific users within the website. You can also filter user by role, and as I said in the other video, we have 4 administrators set up, one for Chris, one for myself, a generic one for Minervation, and there's one for Julie. So if you wanted to add someone else, it might be a good idea to do that. Click Add New User, give them a username, and it can't be changed at a later date, so make sure you get it right the first time, and give them an email address, first name, last name. You can give them a password, and you assign them a role. And if you want the person to be a website administrator, make them an administrator, and then tick the box to send them a password, and that's you set up a new user. Okay, that's it, and I hope you get on okay. Like I say, you might need our help with certain things. Don't be shy about getting in touch. Okay now, bye bye.